My stream is literally called PUBG Noob Attempts to Survive. It was perfect. It was fitting.
Excellent.
I mean,
Oh man, I couldn't have worded it any better.
okay. Dickie, say something.
I don't want to say
Something.
anything.
Something, 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 something.
Words.
Something, something,
Okay,
something.
okay.
Something,
Sound
something,
check complete. Everyone is loud and clear. God damn you people. Jesus.
I say loud words. I say loud words.
Why is there a dinosaur running away?
I don't know. I played a game. I played Abaddon, or I played Halo Infinite with Abaddon.
You played me? Excuse me?
Why?
You guys got a dinosaur outfit?
Oh, buddy.
Yeah, that's what I said. Dude's running away
What?
to dino.
I want it. We're gonna get her a headset to join in on the streams.
Excellent.
It's funny because she's such a quiet baby, but then I get into a party and you announce that you're going live, and she is like being extra as fuck right now, and it is adorable.
Just like me too.
She's running around.
She wants
the
to be a
house
part.
Like, mommy. Uh-oh, we're in a bomb zone.
Run! Run! Run!
Are your guns are away, right?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
running
full
fucking
sprint,
tilt.
full tilt, man.
I learned from the last time. You know, don't hold weapon. Don't crouch if you're trying to run for your life.
I really like. Oh,
Oh! Right there. You should have just let me walk by, but... Yup, that was your own damn fault.
he's up here somewhere. Yes.
Right here. He did. He took the rest of that.
Oh, okay. We got new stuff. Wow, I look like a complete hooker. I'm equipping
Wow.
it.
A complete one, huh? I'm waiting to see what you look like.
Yeah, we're gonna equip that.
Wow.
We're gonna equip. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, we're gonna just whore it all up. No fuck me boots. Depressing.
Oh, disappointed. Rawr. Why you punched a dinosaur?
Because I like punching dinosaurs.
If you were ever given a chance to punch a dinosaur, I'm punching a dinosaur.
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, especially a
Even
microraptor. Those
little
things are
tiny floppy
assholes.
things, or- yeah, microraptor.
Even if it's the last thing I do.
Even if it's the last
But you're
dinosaur.
damn right. If I see a T-Rex coming at me,
No,
I'm gonna try and
Abaddon's
punch
gonna
it.
Yeah, everybody seems normal. It's kind of lame.
Boring.
Normal sucks.
Boring.
Yep. Agreed. Seconded. Fuck normal.
No,
Normal's
fucking
ruined.
normal's boring too, man.
Normal's lame.
Fuck that vanilla shit.
Whee! There's a
I am
lot of
getting
people
Okay,
naked.
this-
here.
This might have been a bad idea.
There's a lot of people here.
I
Oh
don't
god,
like
I need a
clothes.
weapon.
I'm in
I
nudist.
I need a weapon.
I need an adult.
Give me this.
You left me alone?
No. Maybe.
Why'd you leave him alone? Jeez, Mike.
Somebody left me alone? I didn't have a gun yet, and he just ran away. He thought about it. He looked at me and thought about it.
Saw you
And then he
just holding
ran
your
away.
hands.
And then he ran away. It was crazy. I thought that shit only happened to famous streamers. Reloading. Auto.
Got a kill.
Alpha approves.
This kill was out.
I'm being hunted.
I'm on my way.
Never mind.
Okay.
2 kills.
What's this thing you call blood?
Gosh.
You know,
Oh yeah,
it's,
that's
It's what
right.
happens
You only play
when-
T.
it's stuff we have inside us.
He only plays T for teen games.
Well done, jackass.
You see, remember that time you poked yourself on the door handle? Yeah, that's.
I was gonna say that. He
Ah.
beat me to it, man.
The
Yeah.
fucking door handle.
Once again.
Fuck's sake. Just had to tell him that story.
Yep.
I prefer my bar fight version so much better.
You got into a bar fight with a door handle and lost?
No, we
You're
got
an
into a bar
asshole.
fight with the bar and lost.
Oh,
True. I like it.
I'd love to get her to say, turn on Reddidor.
What's that?
Turn around.
Oh my god.
Oh my
yes.
He's gonna kill all of you.
Fuck you. No, just Dickie. And I don't have to go far to do it either. Just a few kilometers down the road and kick his ass. I got
Oh, yeah, that's
big,
fair.
like, gnarly fucking hands. Hey.
What?
Oh,
It was a love tap.
I'm surprised they haven't started
Okay.
shrinking from old age yet.
love you too. Oh, love you. Love you. Love you, you son of a bitch!
Your hands don't shrink, hun.
I had a crossbow too. I put it in that guy's spot.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Putting yourself in
that was
It
sure.
can't. It pauses when you do that. I'm gonna kill
Hey,
you.
why do I
Why?
why do I feel
Kill
like we've
me.
heard this
See,
conversation
see,
before,
see,
Ian?
See stream, see stream, stream. Someone in chat. It was her.
What?
F.
Thank goodness. That was funny, man. Pandemic hit and
funny.
everyone cleared out toilet paper. You think it would be alcohol that would have been cleared out.
That's what I cleared out first.
I know, that's what you went and bought because you were afraid they were going to buy it all. Nope, it was the damn...
Well,
I
no, they
was
tried
toilet
turning
paper.
half of it into sanitizer.
That's right.
Disinfectant. Alcohol has quite a few uses.
Oh fuck
you know,
yeah.
Post-apocalyptic.
Drinking, lube.
Oh.
Helping humanity procreate.
Wait, lube?
Dude, that would burn.
I like the Bernie bits.
Oh my gosh, that would burn. Nope.
Emergency pickup. What the hell is emergency pickup?
You use a good pickup line on
Whatever.
a girl, and she agrees to go out with you.
Yeah, but it's like the last minute when the bar's ready to close and you have to work fast.
Yep.
Oh my god.
That's the emergency
Challenge
pickup.
accepted.
Okay, that's definitely a song you can't sing because Disney overlords do not like.
They will come in and they will do things you
Yeah.
don't.
Are you
You
trying
Yeah,
to
they're-
get us raided
They're
by
nasty,
Disney
man.
ops?
They are nasty for copyright.
Are you trying to get us raided by Disney ops?
Mickey's sitting there holding the baseball bat, just like, so when are we gonna go, boys?
Oh,
What are we gonna fuck up today?
You've been using our intellectual property without permission, huh?
you thought the mafia was bad.
Man.
Oof. Mickey Mouse Club. Kills.
Oh man,
fuck.
it's worse than Hooked on Phonics moms.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Get dated though for singing the song. It's not like I'm playing the song.
Still copyright.
What? Really?
Yeah.
That's
Depends on how
bullshit.
good you sing it.
I mean, if they're not gonna care if it's shitty singing, I'm sure Lasden will be fine singing anything, really.
And if you
No.
screw up enough of it so that none of it is
But-
actually...
But I'm
saying
just
that
talking
they're
about
like
from a copyright point of view. From my point of view, Lasden, please don't sing.
Vehicle.
Yeah, if they copyright strike him, he's on the hook financially.
No, I'm not even talking about that. I just don't want to hear it.
Oh, there we go.
Fuck, I knew he was gonna say that too, douchebag. I got one more in me, honey.
Okay, sure.
You got one more in you, huh? So what's the record now? How many have you been able to fit up inside?
How many hot dogs can
Three
you fit in
three
his
salt and pepper shakers. 3 salt and pepper shakers.
Oh my god. Truck.
Truck.
Jesus, what the fuck
truck.
is that thing?
Everybody.
God!
Oh, I don't have a helmet. I'll take that. There we go. Ooh, nice.
I figure it was child abuse to not have bought you a helmet.
Ho ho ho! It's probably the funniest thing you've ever said.
Wow!
I'll take it.
No, they're too good for us.
What?
They'll chat with us, but they won't play with us. We're beneath their level.
I've played with you recently.
No,
Shut
you
up.
peasants.
Fuck.
Fuck, old guy can't even remember theirs between not that long ago and 3 weeks ago.
Like a week ago we played Halo multiplayer. Shut your mouth. Jesus.
It feels like it was longer.
That's what she said.
I know, I knew that was gonna happen. Jeez. Oh, sorry.
I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. I'm sure your imagination can finish that sentence.
Oh, yeah, we got
Oh.
another one in on
Oh!
Oh!
Aw, just when it was getting good.
Where are you?
Right behind you.
Are you going straight down? You're a psychopath.
I'm following you!
Okay, I'm a psychopath.
I am right behind you.
Excellent. I'm
There's
taking
other people here
Oh
as
my
well.
god, look at them all.
There's a lot of people here!
Oh shit.
Why would you bring me
I
here?
don't know. Ow. We've been doing really fucking good though, man. I'm surprised. I'm doing better because I think I'm with somebody who I could actually play this game with properly. Fuck you.
We've
Me
been
and you
doing
never
really
played it.
good. And then as soon as you say that, the screen comes up. 0 kills, 0 damage, 0 assists.
Yeah, but at least we're not going in and immediately getting shot. Are we having a farting contest? I farted and then baby girl just was like...
She's like, I ain't gonna let you outdo me.
Oh, man.
Goes like this.
Asserting her dominance over the
Asserting
household
her
and
dominance.
ripping more powerful farts than her old man.
She does. She
Yep.
waves it away from her. Oh my
He's like,
god.
here, you take this. You take this.
What the fuck? She really whisked the fart away from her? Oh, that is hilarious. I love my daughter even more every day.
Yeah. Excuse me, mind your own business. Can't someone get a clam slam and a piece around here?
Well, I
Thank
beat
you.
that thing up.
Was it good for you?
Probably not as good for you as it was for me.
I mean, it was pretty good for me, so. Just had to finish the job. Oh, right in the forehead. There, back of the head. Yeah, donkey punch. Donkey punch. Alright, well, since you're here, we need situational awareness of what's going on the next pass.
Whee!
Command.
And
Command.
and
Come in,
you have a
Houston.
problem.
Wait. Our handler isn't in Houston. Who is this? What are you doing on the line? Sir, this is a military channel. I'm gonna have to ask for your credentials.
Sir,
Yeah,
this
what's your
is
call
NASA
sign?
Space Channel. I think something went wrong here.
Okay, thanks, Command.
Moving on with the operation of just something. And oh, look at all this stuff. All this in a church, huh? Crazy.
Must have been one hell of a sermon.
Must have been.
But, yeah. Very pretty.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome. I knew that would get him to come back.
What the heck am I?
It's about damn time,
Hey,
boy.
man.
No, I'm
Nature called.
I understand. I understand. You ran off to the bathroom and I was like, that's a good idea. I'll be back. I ran away. I came back in time to hear that I missed Ellie saying hello to the stream. But she came back and talked some smack about you for a little bit and told Amanda to shut her ass up because she's in my chat going, turn around. Fuck is that person doing?
Congo line?
No, the one right behind the lobster. Did you excuse me?
Doing the dance?
Yeah.
Make it a little love.
Get down in there. How do you do that?
Oh, you
Must be an
see.
emotion.
Look at that dance! Like, what the fuck? Dropping it like it's hot. Oh my god! What the actual fuck?
It's funny, you made that noise right as shots rang out.
Uh-huh. Oh god, close. Danger close.
Well, at least I out-damaged you this time.
Right? Baby girl says, watch the fuck out, Mike.
That's cute, man.